Welcome to the StairMaster. If you guys are doing this, you're probably trying to burn as much calories as you can because you have to be in a caloric deficit in order to get defined and lose weight. So I want to help you use the StairMaster as efficiently as possible. What you want to do are two things. Think about posture and think about where you're pushing down through your feet. For posture, stand up straight. Retract your shoulders, right? Don't lean forward. Don't lean on the handlebars. Don't lean back. Every time you do stuff like that, you're taking the work off of your glutes, which is where you want them. Those are the calorie burning machines for this exercise. And two, make sure that you're pushing through the center to the back of your foot or through your heel. If you push down through your tippy toes and you're pushing down on the balls of your feet, you're gonna plantar flex at your ankle and engage your calf muscles more so than your glutes, which you don't wanna do because you're not gonna burn as many calories. And these rules apply to when you're using the regular stairs as well. Just be sure to think about it. You'll burn more calories. Good luck.